Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. If you're a Trello user, you know how handy it is for organizing tasks and projects. But sometimes, you need to declutter your boards by deleting old or unnecessary lists. In this video, we'll walk you through how to delete a list on Trello in 2025, step by step. It's super straightforward, but always double check before you hit that delete button to avoid losing important info. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Trello account. If you don't have one, head over to Trello.com and sign up. It's free and easy. Once you're in, navigate to the board where the list you want to delete is located. You can do this by clicking on the board from your dashboard or using the search bar if you have a lot of boards. Now, let's get to the action. Find the list you want to delete on your board. Hover your mouse over the list's title, and you'll see a menu icon. It's usually 3 dots or a hamburger menu on the right side. Click on that menu, and a drop-down will appear with several options. From the drop-down, look for the Archive or Delete option. In recent Trello updates for 2025, archiving is often the first step, which moves the list out of view but doesn't permanently delete it. If you want to fully delete it, select Archive first, then go to the board menu, click on Menu in the top right, and under More, select Archived Items. There, you'll find your archive list and can choose to delete it permanently. Before you confirm, Trello might ask for a double check to prevent accidents. Always read that prompt carefully. Once deleted, the list and its cards are gone for good, so if you have any data you want to save, move it first. And there you have it. That's how you delete a list on Trello in 2025. It's a simple way to keep your workspace tidy and efficient. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.